everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Hami and today we are excited to share a case study on how we have generated 95 plus leads with the CPA of just 15 for a local bicycle repair shop. In collaboration with the local bicycle repair shop, we have developed a targeted Google AdWords campaign aimed at boosting the online visibility, driving foot traffic and generating high quality leads. Our primary goal was to enhance the shop's online presence and attract more cycling enthusiasts to their services. The client is a well-established bicycle repair shop known for providing top-notch repair and the maintenance services. With a strong reputation for the quality work and the customer satisfaction, the shop wanted to expand its customer base by increasing its online presence and attracting new customers from the local cycling community. That's where our digital marketing agency stepped in to design and execute a comprehensive Google AdWords campaign to achieve these goals. So now, in terms of the challenges that we have faced, the main challenge was targeting the right audience, as the bicycle repair services needed to appeal specifically to the local cyclists and the bike owners. The next is approach. So now, in terms of the approach, the first is the research and analysis. We have started by conducting in-depth research to identify the most effective keywords and the target audience. We have analyzed the data from the client's website, industry trends and the local competition to build a strategy that would actually yield the best results. So now, in terms of the audience refinement, our next step was refining the target audience. We have used the insights from our research to identify the most relevant and the precise audience for the campaign by focusing on the local cyclists and the bike owners who were most likely to need the repair services. We have carefully crafted the Google AdWords campaign focusing on both the search and the display ads. We have implemented the conversion tracking and set clear goals to monitor the campaign's progress. The setup included selecting the right ad formats, placements and the budget allocation to ensure maximum reach and the effectiveness. So now, in terms of the ad copy and design, we have created compelling ads that highlighted the shop's expertise in the bicycle repair. The ads were designed with the visually appealing graphics that actually resonated with the cycling community. The ad language and design were optimized for the high engagement and the relevance, ensuring the shop stood out in the local search results. The next is the keyword optimization was a crucial part of the strategy. We have continuously monitored and adjusted the keywords to ensure the ads appeared in the relevant search queries. This involved detailed data analysis and testing new keywords to maximize the ad performance and minimize the unnecessary spending. The next is the targeting and segmentation. We have used the advanced targeting and segmentation to reach the most relevant audience. Specific targeting of the local cyclists and the bike owner within the service area ensured the ads were seen by these most likely to need the repair services. The targeting strategy was regularly optimized based on the performance data to achieve the best results. So now, in terms of the results and the impact, the Google AdWords campaign delivered impressive results for the bicycle repair shop. We have generated over 95 leads with the CPA of 15, a 30% increase in the website clicks, a 15% increase in the foot traffic to their shop. These results highlight the effectiveness of our data-driven approach and the expertise provided by the agency in delivering targeted digital marketing solutions. If you are running a similar business or need help with your campaign, contact us via the WhatsApp number in the top right corner. We will be happy to assist you and do recommend the best strategy to grow your business. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.